Getting a check engine light with code P0071. Don't panic. In this video, we'll break down what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it. Let's get into it. P0071 is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the ambient air temperature, AAT sensor's signal being outside the expected range, or changing too slowly compared to expected values. The AAT sensor plays a critical role in engine and HVAC system performance, providing real-time external temperature data. Common causes of P0071. Number 1. Faulty ambient air temperature sensor. The sensor itself may be malfunctioning due to internal failure or contamination. If it sends inaccurate temperature readings, the PCM flags a fault. If the sensor is confirmed faulty, replace it with a new OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. Clear the code with a scanner and take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm resolution. Number 2. Damaged sensor wiring, broken, frayed, shorted or corroded wires between the AAT sensor and the PCM can disrupt signal transmission. This includes both the signal wire and ground. Test the wires while monitoring the live data stream for changes in temperature reading. Repair or replace any frayed, pinched or shorted wires. Number 3. Corroded or loose electrical connectors. Moisture or oxidation can cause poor contact in the connectors, leading to signal interruption. Vibration or improper installation may also loosen connectors. Visually inspect the wiring harness and connector for signs of damage or corrosion. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair or replace damaged wiring using proper soldering or crimping techniques. Number 4. Faulty engine control module, ECM. Although rare, a malfunctioning ECM might misinterpret correct signals or fail to process them accurately. Only after all other components have been tested and ruled out, consult a professional if you suspect ECM failure, as this requires specialized tools and knowledge. Number 5. Sensor contamination or placement issue. Road grime, mud, or snow can insulate or affect the AAT sensor, leading to incorrect readings. Clean off any dirt, leaves, or road salt from the sensor. Make sure it's not blocked or affected by heat sources like the radiator or engine. Prevention tips. Keep the front grille and sensor area clean. Regularly inspect wiring for damage, especially after winter driving or off-road conditions. Use the right grade of replacement parts, especially sensors and connectors.
Car repair pro tips. Use an OBD scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go?" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules.
Thanks for watching.